Big Samvidhan debate all set to take place in the Indian Parliament today. It will be Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who will be leading the opposition's charge on the floor of the Parliament. BJP's top guns, Rajnath Singh, Kiran Rijiju, Ravi Shankar Prasad, all of them will also be speaking. Prime Minister Modi will be speaking at the end of the debate on the 14th of December, that is Saturday. This is a big constitution debate that will begin in the Lok Sabha. 2 days have been allotted for this debate. My colleague Amit is now joining me on the story. Amit, the stage is set. The big Samvidhan debate will take place. The opposition being led by the Congress party on one side, the BJP on the other side. The top guns will now be responding to this debate, and it will end with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He'll be speaking at about 6 p.m. tomorrow evening.
Right, Aishwarya, and more so, all eyes will be focused on Parliament more so because in the past 6 months and essentially ever since that Lok Sabha elections was wrapped up, Constitution had become the primary point of debate between the BJP and the Congress party, or the NDA and the India alliance, with the Congress party constantly attacking the Bharatiya Janata Party, accusing them of trying to bend the constitutional values of the country. So this is the final occasion when you have, while the Parliament will be debating the constitutional, will have a debate on constitution. This will also be an opportunity for the India alliance to focus on the issues and agendas that they have been claiming and accusing and targeting the BJP over in the public domain during the elections, whether it be the Lok Sabha election or the different state elections which have happened. And you have Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who is going to make her Lok Sabha debut speech today, and Rahul Gandhi is also on the list of speakers. What we are given to understand that the Congress party is most likely to pick names from different communities so that there is a far larger representation in their list of speakers. On the other side, as far as the BJP's list for the day looks like, you have the top guns, the experienced faces, someone like Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister there, as well as young faces like Tejasvi Surya, who's known for his oratory skills. So it's a balance of the experienced lot and the younger speakers in the BJP's list as well. It is to be seen as to how the other parties, for instance, Trinamool Congress has Mahua Moitro as one of the speakers on Constitution Day. So interesting list of speakers certainly. Right. Beginning from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's set to make her debut speech in the Lok Sabha, and the entire debate will end with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech. Back to you, Aishwarya.
Thank you, Amit, for giving us all those details. The big debate will end when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will speak tomorrow on the floor of the Parliament at about 6 p.m. But before that, we will see fireworks taking place from both the sides. The opposition's charge will be led by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, her maiden speech on the floor of the Parliament. And we have the BJP top guns along with the younger ones, which have now been given an opportunity to speak on India's constitution, that is Samvidhan. The stage is all set for the Samvidhan showdown to take place on the floor of the Parliament. The Lok Sabha will begin the 2-day debate on the Constitution. Now, this is a special discussion on the 75th anniversary of the adoption of India's Constitution. Now, if you remember, it was Samvidhan, the Constitution, that became a big political flashpoint. Now, Samvidhan was the pole plank for the opposition party, specifically for Rahul Gandhi and for the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi declared that he was fighting to save the constitution of the country. The Modi government, however, is accusing Rahul Gandhi and the Congress of insulting the Samvidhan. Big fireworks are expected in the House today. Rajnath Singh will be opening the debate from the BJP side, and sources have told India Today it will be Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who will be the first speaker for the opposition. Take a look at how the list of speakers looks like, both for Team NDA and for Team India Alliance. Closely, there will be 12 to 15 speakers for the NDA. This includes Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy and youngsters like Shrikant Shinde, who's Eknath Shinde's son. Shambhavi Chaudhary from the LJP will also be given an opportunity to speak. Now, for the India Alliance, apart from Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, TMC's Mahua Moitra, Kalyan Banerjee will be speaking. From DMK, it will be A. Raja who will be speaking. Prime Minister Modi will be responding to this debate on Saturday. Both the BJP and the Congress have issued whip to their MPs to be present in the House when the discussion takes place.
पॉजिटिव है। कांग्रेस ने ये तय कर रखा है कि हाउस चलना चाहिए, किसी भी हालत में बीजेपी की साजिश को नाकाम करना है कि जो हाउस न चलने दे। संविधान पर चर्चा लिस्टेड है लोकसभा में, हम चाहेंगे संविधान पर चर्चा हो।
और आज जहां हम संविधान दिवस मना रहे हैं 75वां, तो वहीं बहुत सारे जो हमारे अधिकार हैं जिनका लगातार हनन मौजूदा सरकार कर रही है, इस पे भी प्रश्न उठता है आज। और जो 2 दिन का जो स्पीच होगी तो हम सब अपने पक्ष को रखेंगे इस मुद्दे पे।